here in Ponchatoula, Louisiana at the Oktoberfest right here on Channel 54. We appreciate y'all joining us after the St. Thomas Aquinas football game. Oktoberfest brought to you by Steinmark Productions. We're going to catch up with some of the people that are putting this shindig on. I tell you what, a lot of people out here tonight. If my man Adam Dagan wants to pan out a little bit, you can see the people going on out here tonight. I tell you what, Oktoberfest is nothing but a party here in Ponchatoula, Louisiana. It's beer, brats, and sauerkraut, and of course, beer as a main highlight of this thing. We're going to go around and talk to some of the people and find out what kind of beer that we're going to drink today. So I'll tell you what, stick around. We're going to take a survey, see some local faces, and we'll be right back after this message from our sponsors. Richard Netzberger of Steinmark Productions.
Steiermark Productions, that's right.
I tell you what, we're at Oktoberfest in Ponchatoula, Louisiana, and he's going to give you a little insight on the history of Oktoberfest. Tell me about it.
Well, you know, we started this up here in '92, and of course over the last few years it has grown tremendously. And this year it looks like we're going to have a record crowd.
I'll tell you what, there's a lot of local people here. What can the people that aren't here now expect if they come tomorrow?
Well, what we do here is we give them a quality event every day, and starting Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday. So if they hadn't been here yet, what they can expect is excellent music, which in the background we have the Alpine Express. At 6 o'clock we have the official opening, and then we have the Mürztaler Musikanten from Austria take over into the night. And the same thing will happen tomorrow. We'll have both bands play tomorrow too.
Excellent. From my homeland, as I'm Baron von Verreger, I like Austrian bands, although I'm not from the homeland. Do you expect to fill this tent today?
Oh, it was filled up a couple of times already. You know, we have a steady flow. You know, because people can come in here and they can leave any time and they can return during that day once they paid their admission. So I don't know how many people are probably, you know, browsing around in town. So
I'll tell you what, since this is a beer garden, is there much, what can the people expect to sample? You got the music, the beer, the food. What's some of the food and the beer that you might say?
We have two German beers here. They're imported in draft beer. One is called the Warsteiner, the other one is called Isenbeck. Isenbeck is the dark one. If you like dark beer, it's delicious. Food, we have 3 menus. We have the Bratwurst, the Knackwurst, and the Wiener Schnitzel. And each one of those meats basically comes with red cabbage, sauerkraut, and hot German potato salad and bread.
Excellent. Well, I'll tell you what, he's been a generous person to come over and give you a little insight. We're going to take a tour, see everybody, and we appreciate Richard coming over, and we'll be right back after this commercial break.